So this is the third example. Okay, this is the third example. By understanding this particular example, I hope you can do any of the three variable K. Okay. So now I hope you know how to write down all these things: 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0, and writing the numbers in the cells 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next. So how to fill this? How to fill this K map by just making use of this truth table. Okay. So 1, okay, 1, 1, 0, okay, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So as you all know, again, octal or quad or pair or isolated one. So this is the priority that we need to follow. Is there 8 number of ones? No. So therefore, no need to go for octet. Next, coming to quad. Okay, coming to quad. So is there 4 number of ones continuously? Yes, it is there. So now the confusion is whether I have to pair 1, 1, 1, 1, this quad or this one. Both are possible here. So therefore, first I will do this. First I will do this. Then for these two ones, shall I go for quad or shall I go for pair? So this is pair, right? So this is pair. So I can pair like this. But what does the rule says? If you are having the chance of going for the highest priority, then always go for it. So therefore your expression will be in a very simplified format. Now this one can also be combined with this one and this one in order to form one more quad like this. Okay. So therefore in this particular K map there are 2 quads. So since there are 2 quads, you will be having the 2 expressions, and in the 2 expressions there will be only 2 variables. Okay. So there will be only 1 variable. So now just grow this quad, whatever I have written in a pink color box. Now just grow this. Just grow like this towards vertically. So what are the bits will get cancelled? C will get cancelled because it is 0 and 1, but D never cancels because 0 is retained by 0 itself. So therefore we will be getting it as D bar. Only one variable you will be getting. And anyway, if you are going towards the left side, 0 and 1 will get cancelled with respect to A. Now come with respect to this quad. So if I am growing vertically, so 0 and 1 will get cancelled, and that is with respect to B, and C will remain the same, that is 1 and 1. If the 1 value has been retained like that only, it is 1 and 1. So therefore I have written it as C. And if you grow towards horizontally, 0 1 will get cancelled with respect to A. So therefore your answer is Y is equals to C plus B bar. Okay. C plus B bar. This expression plus this expression. Okay. I hope you have understood the K maps of 3 variables. Copy down properly.